Hi everyone, welcome to Repairify Institute's Research and Development Center. I'm Chris Chesney. Today we're going to walk you through the process of using the Autel Remote Expert Network, connecting to our asTech OEM scan tools and our OEM trained technicians. Many times you run into a situation where you're using your scan tool. In this case, we've got an Autel Ultra. Could be an Autel 909 or 919 as well. And many times you may run into a situation where there's an update because of a trouble code or a symptom in the vehicle that requires an update of software. And you want to use a factory tool or need to use a factory tool to update that software. So what we're going to show you is how to submit a request for asTech service through the Remote Expert Network. Let's reach into the tool here and select Remote Expert. And when it pulls up Remote Expert, it's going to serve up the phone number for the technician. And we're going to reach down here. We have selections to module replacement, maintenance, retrofit, ADAS calibrations, or vehicle scan. In this case, I'm going to select module replacement because that comes the closest to reprogramming in definition of the services. The next thing we're going to select is the type of part. And because we're just updating software in this demo, I'm going to select OEM part. I haven't replaced anything in this case. I'm selecting OEM part. And then I'm going to select the module that I'm going to program. And in this case, it's going to be in powertrain and drivetrain management. That covers almost anything that we'll need to know. This is just more for the expert to give them insight into what you're asking them to do. I select OK, and then I reach down here and I look at the expert themselves. Leave that blank because your tool is whitelisted to asTech and it will land in our technician's portal. And then below that, we have the diagnostic report. So we can import a diagnostic report and we can see the report up here that we have. So I'm going to import that report. That allows me to bring in the information that I captured as the car side technician and hand it to the expert technician for their evaluation. And then I can leave them a note. So I'm going to add into this note, and I'm going to try to stay out of the frame here, update software. Okay. And so I'm going to submit that, and Anthony's going to grab that ticket here in just a second.